So certainly these immigrants have had turbulent lives, but most eventually do have to appear in immigration court before they can make the case to stay in the United States. NBC7's Bridget Naso joins us with more on how that system works. And Bridget, what the challenges are to the process for large groups of people like this.
Yeah, it is a challenge, Catherine. In immigration court, immigrations and customs enforcement lawyers will represent the government, and an attorney will represent the person who will be known as a respondent. That's the person attempting to stay here in the U.S. And the two will present their cases to an immigration judge. Here in San Diego, immigration court is located downtown, but we're told most of this group will be going to courts outside of San Diego. The adults with children, who for the most part will be staying with a relative or a friend, we're told, will go to an immigration court near that location. They can ask for asylum based on safety concerns and in their own country, or also a U visa. If the respondent does not show up to court, they will be put on a removal list, and the person they were staying with will not be held responsible. According to immigration court officials, about 33% do not show up to court. That's a number that's much smaller than the number Border Patrol spokesman references. That's about 90, they say. A big discrepancy there. Now, if the person's absent, the undocumented immigrant will be put on a removal list, as we said, and then it's up to ICE fugitive operations team to find them.
It's a life of fear where you always, what's going to be the next step? How are they going to find me? If it's going to be a traffic court, or if it's going to be somebody that I live with, or someone just calls on the person. Sometimes they'll follow the tips and they look for people.
In 2012, the ICE Fugitive Operations Team had more than 469,000 people they were looking for nationwide. Keep in mind, some were no-shows to court, others were directed to self-deport, and still others violated the terms of their immigration. Bridget Naso, NBC7.